Somebody won't hold me, the world is gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest tool in the shed.
What is going on, YouTube? We are back with another firework demo. This time we have the Pro Firework Diamondback rockets. Now, I did shoot a couple of these off last year and they did perform pretty good, but this year we're going to light off a whole pack and we're going to see how that works out. So here is the Diamondback rockets. Now onto the light. Just click it. There you go. Alright guys, Diamondback rockets. Just don't get hit in the face, that's all. You can light one at a time. It'll probably be better that way. Not bad for rockets.